Hello students. Now next is the Nernst equation, that is very important. So what is Nernst equation? E cell is equal to E naught cell. After calculating E naught cell by this formula, minus 2.303 RT log product by reactant, and NF, here N is number of molecule that is participating and F is the Faraday constant. Number of electron involving in reaction, and T is the temperature. Here 2.303 RT, R is gas constant and log product by reactant. This is the Nernst equation. And what if T is equal to room temperature? Then formula becomes here 2.303 RT upon NF is equal to what? 0.0591 upon N. So if temperature is equal to room temperature, then this formula convert to 0.0591 upon N, and this is very important if we calculate at room temperature. So E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 log product by reactant. Suppose here copper is showing reduction by 2 electron and silver is doing oxidation by 1 electron. So you have to first, how to calculate this? You have to first balance both the electron by multiplying its by 2. Here again showing in case of zinc and copper, first you have to see that there is balance of electron or not, then we calculate about standard reduction potential. So it is very important to balance the equation by multiplying particular electron. So next topic is equilibrium constant or E naught. So what is equilibrium constant? E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 upon N log product by reactant. So at equilibrium, what is this? Product by reactant. And at equilibrium E cell is equal to 0. Then the reaction equation becomes 0 is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 upon N log K equilibrium. Here E naught cell is equal to 0.0591 upon N log K equilibrium. Here log K equilibrium is equal to N E naught upon 0.0591. After substituting, K equilibrium is equal to 10 to the power 9 N E naught upon 0.0591. So this is the equilibrium constant formula. Now next is what is Gibbs free energy and E naught relationship. This is also very important. What is delta G? Means Gibbs free energy is equal to minus N Fe naught. This is the equation you have to remember. Delta G is equal to minus N Fe naught. N is number of electron, F is Faraday constant, E naught is E naught value. And delta G naught is Gibbs free energy and its unit is joule per mole. So this is the formula, delta G naught is equal to minus NF E naught. Now our next topic is what is conductance. As you know, substance which allow electricity to pass through them are known as conductor, and the reciprocal of electric resistance is called conductance. Means reciprocal of electric resistance is called conductance, and substance which allow electricity is known as conductor. And property that reciprocal of electric resistance. Our next topic is conductance. As you know, substance which allow electricity to pass through them are known as conductor. And what is conductance? The reciprocal of electric resistance is called conductance. Reciprocal of electric resistance is called conductance. It is usually represented by capital G, and from this we infer that conductance is inversely proportional to resistance, and resistance is, as you have read in class 10th or 9th chapter, resistance is equal to rho into L upon area. Rho is resistivity and conductance is inverse of resistance, that is 1 by rho, and area by L. 1 upon rho is conductivity, and here 1 by rho is equal to conductivity into area upon length. So here K refer to conductivity and G is conductance is equal to K into A, area by length, and here K is conductivity. K is conductivity into area by length. So conductivity is inverse of resistance, and conductance is represented as conductivity into area by length. Now next is what is cell constant. It is also important as it is represented, we denote it by B, small b. So cell constant is equal to length by A, and its unit is centimeter inverse. And here conductance unit is ohm inverse or Simon. And here cell constant is constant for particular type of cell, that is in particular length or area, and its unit is centimeter inverse. Now next topic is conductivity. What is conductivity? It is conductance of 1 unit cube of conductor or centimeter cube of conductor in simple way, and it is inverse of resistivity. Conductance is inverse of resistance and conductivity is inverse of resistivity. Here conductance is equal to 1 upon rho, that is resistance, and resistance is equal to rho into L by A. Here conductivity is equal to conductance multiply by cell constant, as you have read in previous. And so we infer that conductivity is equal to conductance multiply by cell constant, that is G into B, and B is equal to L by A. So this is when length is equal to 1 centimeter and area is equal to 1 centimeter. Cell constant is this, B is equal to L by A. Its unit is as centimeter and centimeter square, that is ohm inverse centimeter inverse or Simon centimeter inverse. This is Simon inverse. This is the unit of conductivity. Topic is molar conductivity. What is molar conductivity? It is the conductance of ion produced from 1 mole of electrolyte dissolved in V volume of solution when electrode are 1 centimeter apart and area of electrode present in the whole solution. Or you can say that conductance of ion produced from 1 mole of electrolyte in V volume of solution, that is 1000 per liter of solution. So this is the formula of molar conductivity is equal to K into 1000 by M. Here K is conductance. Here K is conductance multiply by 1000 ml of solution upon molarity. So this is the molar conductivity formula. And here its unit is Simon centimeter inverse upon mole per liter inverse, that is 1 liter is equal to centimeter cube, or you can say Simon centimeter inverse and centimeter cube mole inverse, because if we move toward upside, mole become inverse and centimeter cube become cube, minus become plus. So this is the representation. After this become Simon centimeter square mole inverse. This is the unit of molar conductivity. So the unit of molar conductivity is Simon centimeter square mole inverse or Simon centimeter square mole inverse. So this is the molar conductivity of the solution. Hope you like the video and do share with your friends, and thank you for watching.